soon in mind. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're about to do a little walk around on a 1966 Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood. It has 302 emblems on the fender. I did check, it is a 289. Decent little car. We're gonna walk around, point out any kind of flaws I could find. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you drive down here. Majority of our sales are out of state, so we try to give the best description we can. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of any flaws, undercarriage shots, all of our inventory, financing and shipping information. We've also even got videos of how to purchase a car from Maple Motors here on YouTube. All you gotta type in is that and Maple Motors behind it. You can do that with any of the cars here, the year, the model, and Maple Motors. All right, we're gonna get started here, starting up front. The bumper's been replaced on this Mustang. The grill is in great shape. Does have a few little chips in the grill around the headlights and the paint. Little squeaky door there. Light scratch right here. The tires on this one are in great shape. Paint's a little messed up on the door there. Got some chips on the upper part. A few little rust bubbles popping up. Door handle's got some pitting. It's not brand new. Same with the trim around the windows there. Sorry, it's a little bit dusty. I chamoised this car, but it keeps raining every 20 minutes here. And it's making it difficult for me to do these videos today, but I'm gonna get them done. Got a little scratch back here. Back bumper, pretty new actually, just like the front. They've replaced that one. Bushings are going in these bars here. I'm gonna open the trunk here in just a second. I meant to do that before the video, but a little spot in the paint below the trim. Back here you got some little scratches and chips from the road behind the tire. It's a scratch in the paint. Some more bubbles. Looked like somebody touched it up there. A little bubble right there at the front of the door, very small. Got a few chips below that pinstripe. Door handle's the same on this side. Chip in the paint there by the trim. And the seal around the window is a little weak. It's got some dry rot in it. Light scratches right here on the top of the fender and a chip right here. A chip right there. trying to catch everything so you know what you're coming to buy, guys. I'm gonna grab the keys out of it and we'll pop the trunk real quick. There's a chip right there on the inside of the jamb on the door. This interior doesn't look too bad. We'll be getting to it in just a moment. Weather stripping needs to be replaced around the trunk lid. There is a little bit of moisture getting in there. The jam around the trunk, it's not eat up or anything. It looks decent. A little bit of water getting in there, probably from that weak weather stripping. Package tray's in pretty good shape. See how easy it shuts? Not too bad. All right, let's go and check this interior out. The door panel is stretched. Fabric needs to be stretched back out. Leather stripping, it's not gone, but I would replace it. Checking the bottom of the door for you. Looking around on the jamb. Weather stripping's hard here. I'd just buy a weather stripping kit. Top of the seat's got a little hole in it, but majority of it's in great shape on both sides and in the back. Package tray's good. Headliner, it's got two little holes, one there and one on the other side, but oh, there's some more above the visors. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? I'm gonna check it out. The dash pad's a little bit sun beaten, but it's not all tore up. Showing 92,000 miles on the dash here. Can't stand behind that. It's a 66 model. Does start up nice and easy. Oil pressure gauge is coming up. Fuel gauge is not. We'll be stopping to get gas in this one for sure. Engine temp is down. We'll be watching that gauge. Radio. Sounds like it's cutting on. Blower motor. It is cutting on. Console. Pretty good shape. Not bolted down. It's just sitting there. Windshield wipers. They work. Horn. Did y'all place your bets? It does work. Pretty good sound. Motor's nice and quiet, sounds good. Needs a fan shroud. Well, you don't take your hand off. Go ahead and shut the hood down. Comes down fairly easy. Locks, lines up decent. It's got a little chip right here and here. And there's a scratch right in the center of the hood. spot right there on the edge of the hood. It's been touched up. All right, I do have 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. Got financing and shipping options. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots right now. There's more online on my website, including all the inventory. All right, we're gonna look under this front, go all the way around the car, and conclude this video. Next up will be a test drive, so be looking for it. Should be at the end of this video, last 30 seconds. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We'll try to get back with you. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. And if you don't mind, check out the music page that's at the beginning. If you like the music, you can subscribe to that channel as well. It's called Southgate Production. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Y'all have a good one.